Naniniwala ka mo na may isang spot dito sa Iloilo kung saan pwede kang mag-firing at kumain ng masarap at mag-billiard all in one place. Yes, you heard it right. And today, kasama naman kayo sa experience na to.
Late night, city lights, you and me.
Hey guys, it's us again, John and Den, at ngayon, isang kakaibang trip ang ipapakita namin sa inyo. Welcome to Mikey Firing Range dito sa Lanit, Haro, Iloilo City. The biggest firing range in Iloilo and the entire Panay Island. At isa ito sa mga paboritong tambayan ngayon ng mga mahilig sa shooting, kape at billiard. First activity namin, syempre shooting. Kung first time mo, don't worry, safe at guided ka dito. May orientation muna tapos tutulungan ka ng range officer para tamang hawak at stance mo. Yung range nila maayos, malinis at super secure. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-practice o mag-relax lang with something new, perfecto. At kung may lisensya ka, pwede mong dalhin ang sarili mong baril. Ang importante, kompleto ka sa documents. At bonus pa, they also have a shop on site where you can buy firing essentials, airsoft accessories, and other shooting-related gear. At kung kailangan mo ng tulong sa pagproseso ng documents for legal use like registration or renewals, they can assist you as well as long as you comply with the necessary government requirements. Always follow legal procedures and proper documentation. Syempre pagkatapos ng putukan, time to chill na. Akyat tayo sa second floor kung saan makikita ang cafe nila na cups and bullets. Umorder kami ng burger with fries, cozy ang ambience, at tamang chill lang after an intense shooting session. At kahit hindi ka nag-shoot, pwede ka pa rin tumambay dito, magkape, or mag-relax lang with friends. At ito pa, may billiard area din sila at sakto may friendly showdown that day between Boknoy Rapid Fire ng Iloilo at JB Sukal, ang batang KMGS. Ang saya lang panoorin, kulitan pero competitive. Open din ito sa mga bisita so pwede ka makilaro kung trip mo. Kaya kung hanap nyo ay one-stop spot for action, chill, gamit at bonding, Mikey Firing Range is definitely perfect para sa'yo. The biggest firing range in Iloilo and Panay, complete with activities, food, and gear all in one place. Ikaw, nakapunta ka na ba dito? Share mo naman ang experience mo sa comments. Yun lang, thank you for watching and kita-kits ulit sa next vlog. Paalam!